Hey, J-RodTV here. I'm Jared. Glad you tuned in. The day has finally come. You know, I've been working on this to-do list. I'll show you over here. This is the exterior transformation. I did a interior transformation a while back. You can check that out on a different day, but got all this stuff done. Got a couple of things that, you know, I'll get done eventually, but all the big exterior stuff is done. And so I wanted to show you the truck. I literally just got through polishing it up, cleaning it, you know, doing all those things. And I've got aluminum wheels, so I need you guys to tell me what's the best way to clean those besides like buffing them. Is there some good wheel cleaner out there? But anyway, let's get right to the truck. So redid all of this, took the bumpers off, cleaned them up, new lights, patinaed the outside, even rusted up some spots and things where I had sanded through. So you remember it had spray paint all over in different colors and things like that. Water sanded all that off. And you can see it's got some shine to it now. It's got the 1776 Vice Grip Garage gloss clear on it. And so it's got new mirrors, welded up the old stuff, new side fender, emblems. I redid all of the grill, took it apart, detailed it completely, trying to get my shadow out of there, but painted it, instead of being that bright silver, painted it a stormy gray. Thought that would just kind of give it a sinister look. Polished up the bumpers best I could, straightened things like that. Took all of the pinstriping off. All of this area, as you remember, was covered in red spray paint. Sanded back through, back to the orange, to at least get it all kind of one overall color. I'll try to get you some side angles. I cut and buffed the whole thing, had some dry spots, some runs and things to take care of. But seriously, y'all help me out with my wheels. I need to get them looking a lot better. I've got a spray-in bed liner that I'm going to put in the back, or a roll-in that is. And so let me give you a little side look, so you can kind of get an idea of the shine down the side. And I'll give you one across the back there. And I'll give you one right here. Hopefully you can see. You can see the shine all the way down through there. Of course, it's got dents and dings and all that kind of stuff. But and across the hood, so that's it. That is the whole thing, and I'll give you some B-roll. We're driving down the road, J-RodTV. We went to Trucking the Trace today. It was a great day, and so I thought I'd give you some video footage of just driving down on a pretty afternoon. The truck sure has come a long way. Check out where it came from and where it is now.
It reminds me that in our faith, we also have to continue to grow and continue to work. In Joshua chapter 1 and verse 8, it says, "Do not let this book of the law depart from your mouth. Meditate on it day and night, so that you may be careful to do everything written in it. Then you will be prosperous and successful." For Joshua, he needed to grow in his faith and meditate upon God's word. And we need to do the same if we're going to grow in ours.
I'm really excited. Worked really hard on hours and hours and hours of putting this together. And as I told you, I do all of that right here in this open garage. All of this right here in this open garage and in the driveway. And I'm pretty stoked. I think it looks pretty cool. All new lights all the way around, you know, just to kind of set it off a little, make it look good. The interior is, the only thing left to do in the interior is the seat saving up for that. It's a budget, like I told you. And I need to rebuild the front end. I'll do that in the coming months, maybe through the winter. And I got a car show tomorrow, our local car show here, and been working to try to get all this done before that. Looks way better. I'll give you a shot in here of like befores and afters. Is it like a brand new truck? No, it's not. But has it got some character and a little sinister front end and all that? I think so. But would love to know what you guys think. So take a look, check it out. Let me know what you think.